Are you a business owner trying to figure out the best way to manage your money? Let me ask you, do you find yourself struggling with budgeting, cash flow, or even saving for the future? You're not alone. Money management is one of the biggest challenges for business owners, yet it's also the foundation for success. But here's the good news. Today, we're going to simplify it for you. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll learn 10 actionable money management tips that will help you protect your business, maximize profits, and build a brighter future. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and equipped to handle your business finances like a pro. Sound good? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Build a positive relationship with money. Money is the lifeblood of your business. But here's the thing, many entrepreneurs have a love-hate relationship with it. Does this sound familiar? Avoiding financial reports because they seem intimidating? Feeling stressed every time you check your accounts? Here's the truth. You can't grow your business without embracing your numbers. Developing a positive mindset around money means viewing it as a tool, not a burden. Start with small steps. Set aside time each week to review your finances. Celebrate wins, even small ones, like reducing expenses or hitting revenue targets. When you treat money management as a growth opportunity, your confidence will soar, and so will your profits. Tip 2. Understand your financial reports. Okay, now that you're building a healthy mindset, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get familiar with your financial reports. These 3 reports are your best friends. The balance sheet. This shows what you own, assets, and liabilities. It's a snapshot of your business's financial health. The income statement, also called a profit and loss statement, it breaks down your revenue and expenses to show whether you're making a profit. The cash flow statement. This tracks the movement of money in and out of your business. Think of it as the pulse of your business. When you understand these reports, you can make smarter decisions like cutting unnecessary expenses or investing in areas with high ROI. Tip 3. Establish a clear budgeting process. Budgeting is not just for personal finance. Every business needs a solid budget to survive and thrive. Here's how you can create one. Start by listing your fixed costs: rent, utilities, payroll. Add in variable costs like marketing and supplies. Set revenue goals and allocate funds for savings or reinvestment. But here's the real secret. Your budget isn't static, it's a living document. Update it regularly based on actual results and market changes. This way, you'll always be prepared for opportunities or challenges. Tip 4. Monitor your budget regularly. A budget is only as good as your commitment to it. Once you've created your budget, the next step is monitoring it. Schedule regular check-ins monthly or quarterly to compare your actual numbers to your budget. Are you overspending in any areas? Are you on track to meet your goals? Technology can help here. Tools like QuickBooks or Xero provide automated reports and alerts. These tools make it easy to spot trends, adjust your plan, and avoid surprises. Tip 5. Protect your cash flow. Let's talk about cash flow, the lifeline of your business. Without a steady cash flow, even profitable businesses can fail. Here's what you can do to protect it. Invoice clients promptly and follow up on late payments. Negotiate better payment terms with suppliers to keep cash in your business longer. Avoid tying up cash in excessive inventory. Using cloud-based accounting systems can also give you real-time insights into your cash flow. This allows you to plan ahead and avoid those dreaded cash crunches. Tip 6. Stay on track with retirement goals. As business owners, we're often so focused on the here and now that we forget about the future. But retirement planning is essential. Here's a quick exercise. Calculate your current savings. Use a retirement calculator to see if you're on track. If not, start making consistent contributions to a retirement account, even if it's just $50 a month. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Tip 7. Build your emergency fund. Emergencies happen: unexpected expenses, a slow season, or even economic downturns. That's why every business needs an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. If that sounds overwhelming, start small. Even setting aside $1,000 can make a huge difference. Keep your emergency fund in a high-interest savings account so it's easy to access, but still earns a little extra for you. Tip 8. Leverage technology for financial management. Let's talk tools. From cloud-based accounting software to expense tracking apps, technology can simplify your financial management. Platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Zoho Accounting not only save you time, but also reduce the chances of human error. Use these tools to streamline billing, monitor expenses, and even project cash flow patterns. Zoho Accounting in particular offers an intuitive interface and powerful features tailored to small and medium-sized businesses, making it a great choice for managing finances effectively. Tip 9. Prioritize paying down debt. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, but it doesn't have to hold you back. The key is prioritization. Focus on high-interest debt first, like credit cards, while making minimum payments on other loans. Once you pay off one debt, roll those payments into the next. It's called the snowball method, and it's highly effective. The faster you reduce debt, the more resources you'll have to invest in your business. Tip 10. Consult financial experts when needed. Last but not least, don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial advisors, accountants, and bookkeepers are there to guide you. They can help you navigate tax planning, identify growth opportunities, and even find hidden savings. Think of them as partners in your business success. Managing your business finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these 10 tips, you'll build a stronger financial foundation, avoid costly mistakes, and set yourself up for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with other business owners who could use these tips. Let's grow smarter and stronger together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.